this armpit? You're so handsome. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the vlog. For the day, we're really just hanging around the house, inside, outside, playing, having a good time. But two main things are happening today. First thing, we are actually trying a box of candy. We had a box of candy sent to us by another family channel from a different country with their candy inside, asking us to try it and give our reaction. Sounds like a lot of fun because I love candy and the kids love candy. So, I mean, honestly, it sounds like a great time to me. We're doing that first, and then second, we are doing a food challenge. So me, Connor, and Aiden are going to see who can eat the most pizza. I think we're each going to get a large pizza from somewhere and see who can eat the most. Now, I know what you're thinking. I'm a grown man. You know, this is easy. I'm going to win. I don't think that's the case, to be honest, because yes, I am a grown man, but I don't eat that much. Aiden and Connor have endless pits for stomachs, I swear. I think Aiden might win. It's because he just eats and eats and eats. It seems like it just goes somewhere. You know, he just wants more. But Connor, he's like slow and steady wins the race. Like, I feel like, because also I think we're doing like a 30-minute time limit. If we didn't have that time limit, I think Connor would win because he would just keep eating it, keep eating it. But I think because he's so small, he won't eat as fast as us maybe. But we're gonna see. I think it's gonna be really, really interesting. I think it might be embarrassing for me if I don't win. But also, we are still on that road to 100,000 subscribers. I think we're at like 93, 94,000. We are so close. I think we have a surprise also for when we hit that 100,000. I'm really excited about that. That should happen within the next month, I think. I think we're gonna start the day outside, so enjoy the day with us. Connor, what are you doing? Pulling the grass? Are you trying to tell me something? Are you trying to tell me that I need to mow? Yeah. Hey Connor, if you could do that on the whole lawn, that would be great. Because then I wouldn't have to mow. Hey P, what are you building?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Sandcastle.
Sandcastle, there we go. So fast, so fast, so fast. Aw, Beanie boy. Beanie boy. Ooh, Beanie's getting some screen time. All right, guys, we're gonna have a race. P, start at the slide. So we're gonna go from that fence line to this fence line. Oh, Henry's in on it.
Connor's in.
Connor's in. On your mark, get set, go. Oh! Oh, who's gonna win, Henry or Connor? Oh!
Again.
Okay, whoever gets to me first, touches my shoulder first, wins. On your mark. Wait. Get set. Go! Oh! Whoa, look at Pico! I mean, Tootie, woo! Woo! Ready, steady, go! Your mark. Okay, go.
I want to go down backwards.
Okay, let's see it. Be careful of your head. Gee, oh, jeez. What?
It's my turn.
What? Kick. There you go. Good job. Good kick. Watch. Good job. Good job, guys. Woo! Good job, Henry. Ah! Oh no, oh no, Oh no!
No, Pete, you be the goalie. No, Pete, you be the goalie.
Okay guys, I'm editing the vlog. You can see it here, right there, editing the vlog. And yes, I still edit on my iPhone, on iMovie. And the two most important parts of this vlog, just like I said before, was the candy box from the Family Channel and the food challenge. Who can eat the most pizza? Of all of the footage, those two parts don't have audio. There's no audio. Look. So audio's turned on. Nothing. Nothing. That was like an hour and a half's worth of footage. I'm gonna try to make this work, so I'm going to narrate. I'm gonna try to narrate these. Keep it interesting, maybe. I don't know. Let's get to it. So it all started when we were sent a box of candy. We were very excited for this box of candy. I mean, look at the excitement. A family channel known as We Are the Bakers from the UK sent us a box of candy filled with a bunch of UK treats, such as this, and this. Flumps. What are flumps? But anyway, we liked some, we didn't like some, but overall, it was a fun experience that we would have loved to share with all of you, especially with audio. Yeah, audio. Ugh. But I digress. So we would like to thank We Are the Bakers for taking the time out of their day to send this box of candy. Some were delicious, some were not. We would like to encourage all of you viewers to go over to their channel, We Are the Bakers, and subscribe. I really have no idea why the audio wasn't working. I think the connection was loose or something along those lines, because obviously now it's working, so it's not the mic. No idea what it was. Sometimes technology has a mind of its own. So now on to who can eat the most pizza. But again, no audio. We started with ordering 3 large pizzas from Papa John's. Aiden looks a bit unsure, but he's ready to eat, per usual. And I'm looking way too overconfident. And Connor? Well, Connor's just excited to eat a bunch of pizza. Look at us, starting on slice number 1, smiling ear to ear, because we love pizza. I mean, who doesn't love pizza? Especially Connor. Slice number 2, going down smooth. Slice number 3, starting to feel like a proper meal. Slice number 4, well this is where we start to feel it. And after a while, I started to play mind games with Aiden, just to throw him off a bit, acting like I wasn't on the verge of vomiting across the kitchen. Because it was a competition after all. I think he's falling for it. I even started talking a little trash. On the other side of me, Connor's just living his best life. I'm not. I'm hurting. I even attempted meditation. And as time ticked away, I come to the realization I'm about to lose to my 8-year-old son. I lost, and Aiden won. Okay, ready? Let's go. Come on, P! Is he still eating? Are you gonna throw up yet? No? I am. I'm just kidding. You ready? What? She's already going! Alright, let's go. What's up, Lily? What you doing? What you doing? What you doing?
Nothing.
What you doing?
Nothing.
You guys being silly?
Patrol.
What?
I'm a Paw Patrol.
Ooh, I like that. Paw Patrol?
Yeah.
I like it. And here's the pizza eating champion. Da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da.
I still feel a little sick.
So do I. So do I.
Daddy, when are you going to drive? Go drive.
Yep, we're gonna drive.
Oh yeah, here. Go up to mommy. Go up the sidewalk.
Stay on my butt. Go.
Self. I should say deaf, not self. Go, Connor. Go, Connor. Let's see your speed.
Mommy, can I go to the back?